Okay, this is part 2 of making a table of values from a description. Okay, so we have a description right here. So somebody's describing something, and this is it. So we learn that Tabby is going bowling. If you've never gone bowling before, it's a game where there's something called an alley or a lane. It's like a little pathway, and there's all these like bowling pins set up at the end of the lane. And you have to roll a ball down the lane and knock over the pins. And to do that, when you go bowling, you have to wear these special bowling shoes. They're very slippery. So Tabby is going to go bowling. She has to pay $3 for those special shoes. And she also has to pay $5 every time she plays a new game of bowling. Oops. Okay, so let's make a table. Is that his little table? Forgot all of a sudden. Let's make a table of values right here. So I put in the table of values number of games of bowling and the cost. That's what we're gonna put in our table. So let's make up numbers. Number of games. Let's say she plays 0 games, or maybe she's gonna play 1 or 2 or 3. Did you know you can pick any numbers? You could say 2, 4, 6. You could say 10, 20, 30. You can make it anything. But I'm just going to go up by 1. And then let's figure out how much it costs. Okay, so if she doesn't play any games of bowling, she still has to pay for the shoes. So she'll have to pay $3. Okay, let's say Tabby decides to play 1 game. She's going to play 1 game. She has to pay $5 plus $3 for shoes. That's $8 altogether. Let's say Tabby wants to play 2 games of bowling. She has to pay $5 for 1, so $10 for 2, plus $3 for shoes. That's $13. Okay, let's say Tabby wants to play 3 games of bowling. So she has to pay for $5, $10, $15 for 3 games. You can also say like 5 times 3 would be $15. Plus $3 for shoes. That's $18. Okay, that's our table of values. And now we can actually make a graph of it. So remember, we always put this column goes on the bottom. Number of games. And the cost goes on the side. And we make a scale. Whoops. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go up by 1s. I'm just skipping a line to space it out. Then for cost, I think I'll go up by maybe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yeah, I'm going to go up by 2s. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And now I have to plot the points. So, first one. For 0 games of bowling, it costs $3. So 0 games cost $3. So I put a point right there. For 1 game, it costs $8. 1 game, $8. So I put a point. For 2 games, it costs $13. 2 and 13. And 3 games, it costs $13. Oh, I feel like I read those backwards. I don't don't know. Okay, sorry. So 2 games was 13. Okay. And then 3 games is 18. 3 games is 18. Okay, there we go. And I could even join it with a line if I want. That's not really good. Okay, let's try again. And it makes a straight line, so we call it a linear relation. And that's how you make a table of values and a graph if somebody gives you a description.